we go. Motovlog 0.1. Went out one other time in a different helmet. We're trying this helmet this time. It's an open face. Much more preferred on these hot days. Oh, what's up, bro? Fuck am I going? Gotta find a lot somewhere. I haven't had much luck before. Let's check out the career center. See if anybody's out here. Might be able to get away with some lot of time. Make sure no cops sitting around. Try one right here, huh? Brake. Brake, brake, brake. Turn off the turn signal. Brake, brake. See anybody? Oh, they got it blocked off. Brought it down. Hit it too much. $6 grand. Keep letting off. Being a fucking pussy. Brake, foot brake that time. It's actually probably a pretty good lot. Keep hitting that brake. That's probably good though. Oh shit! Got it up that time a little bit. Probably not very far at all though, right? Keep laying on the brake. Brake, brake. Almost ate it there. God damn it. Feet came right off. Getting there. I'm letting off the throttle as soon as I get up. Headed up there close, I think. I needed to go further back, obviously. Get it up. Stay on the fucking throttle. Use the rear brake to bring it down, slow it down. Keep the throttle steady. like I know what I'm talking about, but I've watched every goddamn YouTube video on wheelies, especially all the Grom specific ones. Loopy, Grom Garage and Loopy Stunts? Loop Stunts? I don't know, a guy that fucking loops all the time, can't wheelie, like me. Grom Garage was helping him out, and he had a lot of good advice. He was the one that said, with the throttle, keep it steady and use your brake. Foot brake, get used to slowing it down and using the foot brake too, obviously, if you're doing that. So that's good. Then, who was it? Mandrew's Vlogs. Had a lot of really good information on his wheelie video. I'll link these in the description. Not that anybody's even gonna watch this, but just in case. I'm trying to learn how to fucking wheelie here, or trying to learn how to wheelie before the end of the year. This might be the last day out though, so get some kind of seat time in. Need a goddamn lot, so I can just concentrate on what I'm doing. Down there, where is there in this town? I think they need an industrial park is what I need. There's one back there to the right, but the freaking cop shop is right around the corner. So that's probably not going to be a very good one. What else is there? Gotta be something out here, maybe. There's some churches, but freaking Sunday, so it's probably not a good idea. Gotta be need an industrial park. I know I keep saying it. I'm trying to think where there might be one. Never get any love from the Harley boys, the Harley bros. That guy saw the beard, he knew what was up. Showing some respect, son. Put some respect on that freaking wave. Harley bro! Where am I going? Not sure what's past here. Oh, no, there's nothing up here. I was thinking of Brunswick. God damn it. Not where the fuck am I? Route 3. Okay. Center, I guess. Let's go, people. Ah, shit, I went the wrong way. God damn it. Turn left up here. What's up, girl? Hey, everybody checks you out when you're on a Grom. Somebody behind me so I can turn. I don't think that's gonna happen. So, fuck it. I forgot how bumpy this goddamn road was. Oh, that's blocked off. So that is 2. If I can get back there through there. Huh. Maybe I'll go check that out. this was part of the Rico property. Yeah, this is Rico. A hole in that fence is what I need. This is all new too. I was able to get back there, huh? Probably try one here, huh? While I'm back here. Brake. That sucks. Timing's way off there. Okay. Of course my lights turn signal's still on. Brake. How am I doing? I got my timing off. Timing's way off. That was. Lower it out a little bit. Oh, getting it up there. Ah, brake, rear broke. Hit the rear brake. I keep letting off. Fuck. Go ahead, come on. Turn, please. Goddamn gravel. Well, that's that. See you in the next one.